Hi everyone, Derek Cutler here for the final installment of the Digital Spring Cleaning series. This week we're going to be talking about digital wellness. Facebook, Google, and Twitters of the world are some of the largest companies in human history, and they've really transformed the way that we communicate with each other. The ad-driven business models of these companies make the internet free to use. And what that does is really level the playing field of who has access to that information and what they have information to. It's like a giant library where everybody has a library card. However, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. are different in a library that they need to turn a profit, and they do so by monetizing information about you. The more they know about you, the more money they can make. That doesn't make them bad. They need to make money to exist. And this model, this ad-driven model, has proven to be a fantastic way to do it. There are lots of unintended consequences of this, however, and usually involves a lot of screen time. I'm not sure if you've seen The Social Dilemma that is on Netflix, but one of the guys that you see on there a lot, his name is Tristan Harris, and he is the president and co-founder of the Center for Humane Technology. And he says that this increased screen time isn't the real core harm in and of itself, but instead the real danger from having this ad-driven model on the internet instead of having users to pay for it is that the way we interact with these technologies is threatening our mental health, eliminating shared facts and truth, and challenging our abilities to have basic compassion for one another. We don't oftentimes think about what is behind a Google search, but the algorithm behind a simple Google search is filled with cognitive biases. Google makes its money not by giving you the most accurate and credible information, but by giving you links that you are going to click on. Okay, so sometimes there's a conflict of interest between what is best for you and what it gives you. The same will go for articles that appear in your social media feed. Now, these technologies and their business models are not going anywhere anytime fast. So what can we do about it? Well, at the school, I like to tell the students that being literate in this digital world means being in control of the technology and not having it control us. Knowledge is power, and in the words of the immortal Stan Lee, with great power comes great responsibility. So the Center for Humane Technology has some interesting resources on this topic that have helped me have a healthier relationship with technology. Some of them, like getting rid of Facebook, may be a little too extreme for you, and that's okay. Try out smaller goals, like turning off the notifications on your phone, because every small step helps. The link to that is in the description, and as always, please feel free to reach out to me if you ever have any questions. Thanks a lot, and good luck on your journey.